If you're into MMA, martial arts, dance, or even yoga, you need to have good flexibility. If you're alone, it's hard to get a good stretch. On today's video, we're going to take a look at this leg stretching machine.
So this is how the split machine works. Literally you've got this, it goes apart like this obviously. And then you have these little holes here, and then it's got the little nub that you can line it up to whatever length you want to go into the split. So you see how it locks out here? So that's what you want to adjust depending on the size of the person, I mean your height obviously, and how far you want to go into the split. And if that's not good enough, you got the handy little belt here that'll pull you closer to this, so it'll give you that stronger stretch. You don't have to be a professional, you don't have to be Jean-Claude Van Damme.
You know, you better stop doing that stuff. You might want to have kids one of these days.
Oh, that was good. I've noticed my stretch in the last couple of weeks has improved by like even 5 inches. It's lightweight, you can just pack it away. And if you don't have a partner, this is your partner and it really helps you stretch. So I highly recommend this.
It's made of light aluminum. There are 6 hole adjustments. It's for beginners, it fits children, adults, and even old people. Effectively improve your leg flexibility, balance, and range of motion in a very natural body position. If you can already do a split, this machine is probably not for you. You probably want to consider the one with the wheel. But for everybody else, this is something you definitely want to get. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh.